boys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I figured out a way on how to fly. So I'm in the code 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me enter my code. Okay. So once you're here, you wanna go to PvP and enter it. Once you're in here, you're like, there's nothing. Well, right here, there's a door. So you're here. Oop, I messed up. You will have to buy something. I'm sorry about that. Let me do that. I messed up. So code. If you already have it, that's okay. So you wanna come here, skip that stuff, come right here. You wanna buy little, big or small. Click click where it says disable. See? And you should turn small. Now after that, go to PvP. Add no mods. Y'all may know about this, but it's okay. Go here, turn around, go here, click it. Now turn small with the rocket launcher, jump and shoot down. Hang on. Dang it, it's hard, hang on. See? Oh no, I want to go back. You might have to hold it up. Right there. No, up. I'm gonna go like that. You may not be able to go up. What? Dang. See, well, that would be it for today's video.